Hey Moonies, I'm here with you today with an unboxing video, or I should say an unbagging video. So recently in Singapore, they had a Sailor Moon pop-up store, and I guess these were the leftovers from the Taiwanese pop-up store. Now, fortunately, I have some anime friends in Singapore, and thankfully they were able to pick up a few things for me. And so I kind of know what's in the bag, but I kind of don't. There's going to be an umbrella, a set of coasters, a standee, I think, and one surprise gift that my friends got me. So this is exciting. Okay. I have to make sure I don't cut what's actually in here because I actually have a nasty habit of doing that. Okay. All right. Alright, I should be okay if I'm cutting right here. It's a bag within a bag. Okay, let's do the first thing. This umbrella. So they did tons of like really like long umbrellas out of Japan with the handles and stuff like that. And sometimes I don't really like those because I lose them because I can't like fold it up and put it in my bag. Although I lose these things too, so I don't know. I like these a little bit better so they can fit in my bag. And look, it's the bunny. Oh, and then there's some stars right there. Let's see, and it says Sailor Moon Crystal on it. I believe all this stuff was mostly like Sailor Moon Crystal branded stuff. Oh, this is kind of cool. It has it in English. Well, this was, released in Singapore, so yeah, that's cool. Let's see. Oh, and I guess it says Sailor Moon Crystal down here too, but you can't really see it. And I'm totally going to open this in here, even though you're not supposed to do that, but who cares? I don't care. Okay. Ooh! So I guess we have, it says Sailor Moon. I really love that font. That's like the font that's on the Perfect Edition or the Eternal Edition manga. And there you have let's see, her Cosmic Heart compact down there. We have Bunny Rabbit with some stars. We have a moon, Bunny Rabbit, and then on the other side, the brooch and crystal to the moon. This is really cute. I love how it's kind of like the motif is like her bedspread, right? The bunny and the moons, but also has like the compact on it. That's cute. I love it. I really love it. Yes. I just want like all these umbrellas. Like, I think there's another one out there. But this is a good start. I'm gonna go put this in my bag. Oh, yay! That was I guess because you want to know what price is. So let's see. 48 Singaporean dollars that umbrella was. I'm not sure how much that was in USD, but yeah. Oh, the coasters. I've been kind of obsessed with coasters recently. Let's see. This coasters were 15, and we have the Toei sticker. My friend was like, they're kind of ceramic, so it's rather nice. And you can see, obviously, the Sailor Moon Crystal doohickey there. How do I... Okay, so it's just... I thought it was going to be like a selection of coasters, but it's just one big coaster. You have Tixio mask there. How nice. I love stuff that I can use. And I like kind of seasonal stuff that I can switch out. So I figure like a lot of my anime stuff would be good like spring, summer stuff. So this is really big too. Like I wonder if you could put like a pot on that even, or maybe like a teapot. It's pretty big. Like, feel my face. My big as my hand. Pretty big. I wish I had. Wait, hold on. I can compare. Okay. So recently I got the. Let's see. These coasters from Box Lunch, so it's just a little bit bigger than that one. Oh, love it. Okay. Oh, ooh. What's this? This must have been the little gift. Ooh, look at the stained glass. I love stained glass. Okay. What is this? It looks like some sort of mirror. And then maybe I'll punish you. Let's see. Ooh, it's a mirror. It's cool. Very nice. So it has Sailor Moon in the front there. Sailor Moon Crystal. Kind of love how a lot of this stuff is the third season stuff because that was some good merch. Or, well, good, I guess, art even for that one. Actually, I guess, well, this is like clearly third season art, and then this is totally like first season art. Let's see. Oh, okay. So these are some blind bags. What am I gonna get? Sailor Saturn. Oh my god, these are really tiny. Super tiny. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Saturn. I don't have a lot of Saturn merch. So that's cool. Okay. I guess these also have a little white toy sticker there. What will I choose? Oh, Sailor Moon! This art is super cute. It's kind of interesting. A lot of the crystal art, they have a lot of like cute, super deformed art that I feel like doesn't get really used a lot, and it's like really cute. And I think people should use it more. So let's see. Oh, this is really cute. Ah, what is going on here? It's so adorable. Okay. Oh, so cute. Alrighty. Well, I guess that's it. I think that was it. The only thing I really wanted was the umbrella, quite frankly. so yes, good on that one. So, all right. I guess that's it. If you have any questions, please put them below. Did you get any merch from the Singapore Sailor Moon pop-up store, or maybe even the Taiwanese one? Let me know what you got and what you really liked from it. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.